Hi, I'm Brian Wilson at Speaker Restaurant in Philadelphia. I'm going to show you how to make a white pizza with ricotta today. Right here we have a what I use is a hand dip ricotta, which is a similar, slightly drier ricotta than the one that you normally find in the store. If you can't find a hand dip ricotta, you can get a regular ricotta and put it into a strainer with a cheesecloth or a coffee filter for like 5 to 6 hours and let most of the liquid drain out of it. What you get is a nicer, drier texture, which doesn't allow your pizza to become soggy. What we're going to do is add in some olive oil to the ricotta, salt and pepper, some Parmesan cheese, mix it all through. What this is doing is just giving it more flavor than just your basic ricotta. We're going to use, I have a homemade pizza dough. If not, you can buy a pizza dough from your pizzeria or whatnot. Put it onto your pizza peel once it's stretched like this. You can do just a plain old white pizza with just a ricotta on it, or you can add other things to this. It's just pretty much a base, so you can put some sauteed spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, whatever you like. I'm just going to spread out my ricotta. Not too thick, because you want to make sure that it's not going to get soggy. You want your pizza to cook in the middle. And then when you're cooking white pizza, you must make sure that you're not too hot, your oven's not too hot, and it's not too cold, because you want it to cook. But when it's too hot, the ricotta will actually burn before the actual dough cooks. So you want to make sure that it's not too hot. If you have a home oven, get your oven as hot as you can, but once you put it in, drop down the temperature. We're going to add in a little bit more Parmesan cheese on top, a little more olive oil, and it's a basic ricotta pizza. All right, our ricotta pizza is going to go into the oven. This is a wood-burning oven, so my deck is about 700 degrees and my roof is about 850 degrees. So I want to really be careful on where I place it. So I want to kind of put it right near the opening of the oven. So this way it doesn't cook too fast and it stays away from the fire. So the dough gets time to cook before the cheese actually burns. It will take about 90 seconds in this oven. All right, so our ricotta pizza is ready. I'll pull it out. We have a nice crust. It's just got enough spring and enough crunch. You notice that the ricotta is just browning just slightly. You don't want to cook it any more than that, but then the center of the pizza is cooked also. So we're ready to go.